In this video, we will discuss how to password protect Google Drive. The first thing is get access of Google Drive and choose that folder which you want to protect by a password. Just for example, I'll select this folder. The first thing is click on these three dots and take your mouse cursor on Share and tap on the option Share. And make sure the selected icon is anyone with the link. If it is not, then enable it like me. After it, copy the link. Now the link has been copied. Click on this new icon, and now take your mouse cursor on the Google form and click on it. Okay, now the first thing that I will do is I will write my form name. Just for example, I will write, after writing the name, you can add question by clicking on this plus icon. And now here, write your question. Just for example, I will write, so I wrote, what is password? Now turn it on. This option required. Now the user must need to enter the password for getting access. Now click on the three dot and tap on the option response validation. Now here click on it and set it to text. Here enter your password. After it, you can also write a custom error text that will appear when the user will enter a wrong password. Now after it, click on the setting icon and tap on the option presentation. Scroll down and here is the presentation. Just click on edit and here you can write just like I am writing. And here is the link of the file which the user will get after entering the password. And click on the option set. Now let's move back to the question and copy this link and send to the next person. That person is required to write the password for getting access of this file, and it was the way by which you can do it.